Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to use these blur effects in CapCut PC. So first of all, you must install this CapCut PC, then open the software. You can import videos, audios and images using this import tab here. Just click on it, browse your footages, or you can simply open this file manager and drag and drop this to this area. Then you have to drag it your footage or footages into this timeline. So suppose this is the footage. You let's assume that you want to blur the face of this man. So first of all, you have to duplicate this footage. Press Alt or Option on the keyboard and drag this footage up. Like, you can duplicate the layer, or you can just right click on this footage and copy, and again right click and just the paste option. Okay, so either way, you just duplicate your footage, then go to effects panel. So under the effects panel, you may see these video effects. Then under the video effects, you have to go to lens effects of. So under the lens effects, you can find these blur effects, or you can simply search it in the search bar and you can find blur effects, blaze and blur effects, vertical blur close and all this stuff. So I prefer these blur under the lens. Okay, lens. So simply drag it and put it on the upper footage. Now there is a problem. These whole footage is blurred. Don't see anything. To solve this, there's a special tab called special effect. Okay, then you have to go to this mask option, and there are several options. First of all, you have to click add mask. Then as default, the rectangular mask is selected, and there are split, frame strip, circle, pen, brush and all the stuff. Let's choose this circle option. So our work is pretty much done. There's an option called track mask. Okay, this CapCut is automatically tracks for both directions, forward and backward. Okay, we just have to hit enter. Okay, it's processing. You can see this percentage value. You have to be patient and let the process finish, and then let's look at that. Okay, the mask is, our person's face is fully covered throughout the video. Okay, so now you just have to export this, rename it and choose a folder to export, and choose relevant resolution 2K, bitrate, codec and film rate up to 60 fps, and you can see the duration and file size and hit the export button. Okay, that's it for today. You can do your own research and just be creative with the just test some things. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining with me, and subscribe to my channel. So this is not an AI generated voice. You may have figured that out. Okay, and don't ask me about this active Windows sign, because I'm a poor guy. I'm a poor guy, so I don't have enough money to activate these windows and all the things. So I'll stay with you guys, and thanks for the support. Really appreciate that. Love you. Peace.